In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the parking brake air gap on a Porsche Panamera 971. This is step 3 of 5 required steps when replacing either the rear brake rotor or the parking brake shoes on modern Porsches. After adjustment, the parking brake still has to be ground in and calibrated. We will get to those steps in the next videos. Tap step 3, adjust the parking brake. After this parking brake adjustment, the parking brake still has to be ground in and calibrated. Press enter to continue. Make sure all preconditions have been fulfilled. Press enter to continue. This screen displays the status of the left and right actuators. Press enter to continue. The parking brake must now be adjusted according to the workshop manual. Press enter to continue and to evaluate the air gap. Lever parking brake adjuster until the wheel can no longer be turned. Left side you'll lever up, right side you'll lever down. Then, loosen by 14 clicks of the adjuster. Press enter to check the air gap values. If outside of the specified air gap range, an adjustment needs to be made. Press exit to return to step 3, adjust the parking brake. Tap step 3, adjust the parking brake. Follow the prompts again to open the parking brake. You will repeat this step each time you measure and make an adjustment. Be sure the parking brake is open when adjusting. You can make your adjustment with the wheel installed. I've removed it so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. Locate the adjuster for the parking brake shoes. On the left side, the adjuster is at the 5 o'clock position. On the right side is at the 7 o'clock position. To decrease air gap, lever the adjuster up. To increase air gap, lever the adjuster down. Each click of the adjuster is about 0.15 millimeters of movement. Once both air gaps are within the specified range, press enter to end the adjustment procedure. The values that were set must now be checked using the table above. Please match the set value range. Press enter to end the adjustment procedure. Parking brake adjustment successful. To put the overall system into operation, grinding in and calibration of the parking brake still needs to be performed. Press exit to end the process. See our video for step 4, grinding in the parking brake linings.